Namaste. Today we'll be talking about the best practices used by digital marketing agency. Content marketing, search engine optimization, or mobile marketing. All these terms come under the same umbrella that is digital marketing. But what exactly is digital marketing? To answer this, digital marketing is an effective way to connect with the target audience through the use of numerous media channels and platforms. As a matter of fact, it relies on the internet. It requires an elaborated strategy to reach and connect with existing customers and prospective clients, or customers, as you can say. As with the advent of much overloaded information, digital marketing is helping brands and companies to stay relevant by showcasing themselves or showing them visibility through different channels. So let's understand what's the best practice used by a digital marketing agency. First is target audience. The first and foremost step in designing a digital marketing plan for any brand or company is to know who is the target audience. This first step is important as it helps the agency to make a customized campaign that fits the company to get more customers or users, thus making more profits. For example, if the company launched a new clothing line for young women, the strategy to reach them will be different as compared to young men. The message that will be used to reach the people and the offer will surely vary depending on the targeted audience or audience targeted. So, defining the target audience, the goal, and what fuels the sales need to be done as the beginning steps. Next is accurate data. In the midst of multiple media channels to do the digital marketing of any brand, many data already exists but still are not useful. In these existing data like email addresses, a particular social media page, or even a website, most of them are waning. According to statistics, 20 to 30% of data like these fade every year. So another step in building an effective digital marketing strategy is to clear all data which embodies irrelevant information. It includes typographical or syntactical error or syntax error, or adding relevant information such as right address, phone number, or social media page. This will aid to help the client or users to reach out the brand or company easily, thus not losing customers. As in case one of the incorrect information, the customers will not be able to reach the brand, thus losing a prospective customer. Next is omni-channel marketing. Omni-channel marketing is about getting the right message to the right audience at the right time and using the right marketing channel. The digital marketing company basically gives you the best shopping experience to the customer of the company. It encompasses giving a reliable experience to the buyer and should be centered on the customer and what the easiest way for the latter to shop is. For example, a customer should be able to shop from desktop, mobile, and so on. The latter should also be able to order from any app, pay from his or her mobile, and be able to give ratings which will help the brand or company perform better. Next, we have to know that content is primordial. Apart from targeting the right audience, get accurate data, and do omni-channel marketing, one more important practice used by any digital marketing agency is to get the right content. The content should apply to the target audience. For example, for a new line of clothing for adolescents by a company, the content and the campaigning should be relevant and credible to them. The digital marketing help to understand content through email, voice search, websites of the particular company, and also their social media pages. Apart from that, to make the content more appealing, infographics and podcasts are used among others. Response analysis. When the digital marketing is done with these 4 steps, put them into practice and you have got the results of the hard work. When the digital marketing is done with these 4 steps, put them into practice and got the results of their hard work, they can now measure the performance of the company they had been working for. It can be called data analysis. This will help the agency and the company to see where they are successful in getting new customers, but also where they went wrong. It will give an insight on which platforms They were fruitful in achieving more customers through the targeted message. For example, with the new line of clothing for adolescents, Instagram as a social media platform gathered more customers. So this will help the company to know that for the next time Instagram should be used more for this kind of product and message. To sum it up, a digital marketing agency has many tasks to do while helping a company or brand to get more customers, viewers, or users. Among the list are to target the right audience, accurate data, omnichannel marketing, relevant content, and data analysis, which are only a few tasks among other multitudes of tasks. The benefits of digital marketing are also very important. It helps to reach wider people from around the globe. It is more measurable in terms of traffic, clicks, and sales, but also helps in sophisticated targeting as it gives a precise target audience for the brand and products. Namaste.